Another project I need to do is, a while back when they were on sale, I had space in my rack that I had built for another 6 3/4 inch pipe clamps. So back when they were on sale, I got another 6 pipe clamp ends, and they've been just sitting on the bench, and I kind of need my bench back to do other projects. So finally I went to Home Depot, and I was initially going to get the 10-foot sticks and get them to cut it and thread it, but the threading machine was down in the first Home Depot, and the second Home Depot, the only person who knew how to use the threading machine had left for the day. So I just got 3 6-foot sticks. Instead of making 4 3-foots and 2 4-foots, I now have 6 3-foot sticks. So I basically just used my Sawzall and a metal cutting blade and cut them in half. And that worked fine. It doesn't matter that it's not completely straight, because, well, it will if I ever need to join these together. But I have my other 6 clamps that have the threading on both ends, because those I bought just the 3-foot pre-threaded pieces, which was more expensive. That's the reason you buy the longer pieces and then cut them, because the longer pipes are cheaper than the shorter pipes. But in any case, my next project is to take these and just put the ends on. So I think I'll do just a quick time-lapse video of putting some of the ends on. But basically, the way that works, and I know that's not going to stay there, you have this piece with the hole and the slightly movable jaw. That fits over the threaded end and screws in. And then on the other side, you slide. That was nice and loud. I can use them as church bells, I guess. The other piece, you just slide in, and this lever action grips the pipe. So this would be the other fixed, well, movable jaw. This is the slightly fixed jaw on the other one. Anyway, I'll try and set up even though I'm sure it'll be boring, I'll set up a time lapse to do some of that stuff and just see how it goes. There's 2 pieces in the bag, the head piece and the tail piece. And I just turn the head piece on until the thread basically stops going on. And then the other side, again, is just a slide in, so the lever action, and then I put the little tabs on the soft jaws. And that's what it looks like when it's done. The other thing that I bought that I added on was the Rockler Surefoot Plus clamp pads. Basically, that's these little plastic pieces that go over the metal jaws so it doesn't damage your workpiece as much. Or at least it keeps the painted metal from going right on the workpiece. So that's one. Now I just got to do the other 5. There we go. All of the pipe clamp ends are on, which is good. All the little protective bits, clamp pads are on. So now the only thing to do is put them from here over into there with the rest of the pipe clamps. And then there we go. Now all of the pipe clamps are in place. So I have a board here that has a hole in, and then about this far back I have another board that has a matching hole, so they go in that way, and then this big bungee cord holds them in place so they don't slide out in earthquakes or other various movements. But yeah, that's cool. I now have all the pipe clamps filling up the space. So that's one more thing done and not just sitting around. So that's good.